S.
Falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down.
T.
My fair lady, build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and stones, sticks and stones.
U.
Build it up with sticks and stones, my fair lady.
V.
Sticks and stones will all fall down, all fall down, all
W.
fall down. Sticks and stones will all fall down, my fair lady.
X.
Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build
Y.
it up with wood and clay, my fair lady.
C. Red color.
Wood and clay will wash
Orange color.
away, wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will
Yellow color.
build it up
Blue
with
color.
iron and steel, iron and steel, build
Green color.
with iron and steel, my fair lady.
Purple color. Pink color. Brown color.
Iron and steel will bend and bow, bend and bow, bend and bow. Iron and steel will bend and bow.
S for saw.
My fair lady, London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down.
S for snake.
Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
S is for snacks, but don't eat too much. T for tree. T for train. T is for toes, they tickle when you touch. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. U is for uncle, he's thin as a bean.
Went up the water spout, down came
V for vacuum.
and washed the spider out. Out
V for violin.
and dried up all the rain, and the itsy
V is for vacuum, that keeps the house clean.
out again.
W for whale. W for watch. W's for wishes, you make every day. X axe. X fox.
Itsy spider went up the water spout, down came
X is for xylophone, play it today.
spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain.
Y for yo-yo.
Itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Y for yacht. Y is for you, now you know how it goes. C for zebra. C for zebra. C is for zipper, open and closed.
Itsy bitsy spider
S, T, U,
water spout,
V,
down
W,
came the rain
X,
and
Y,
washed the spider
C.
out.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.